system configuration here. So how many we can give? Like I will give the 10 labels. We can give the labels. Labels in the sense what naming the conversations will be there. That will be the labels. Usage. This will see later. This labels and usage. And only we need to see all the things. Now main will be the executors. We need to check it in the system configuration here. Okay, next all the things it will be default only. This is a Jenkins URL. Okay, if you want to add any system admin email address, so this is a master. Jenkins will be the master. If you want to add anything, right, you can add the system like a master and slave methods. So we can keep this server as a master. We can add the subsystems as a slaves. Okay, those things we'll see in the later. So all the things will keep the default only. We are not changing anything. Global build timeout, everything will be same. We are not doing anything. Okay. Git plugins, so all the things will give in the future. If whenever we are doing right, whenever we want to add any emails, so whenever they are running the jobs right, we want to get a notification like that. It will be there right. On that time we will add the here SMTP credentials, email credentials. Here you can SMTP server. We need to provide the SMTP server and we need to provide the email addresses, all the things here. Okay. So we are not going to do that on SMTP and all. Why? Because we are not having any mail ID. So the mail server is not there. So we are not going. So all the things we can able to see by default. So all we can keeping the default. Depends upon the usage, we need to update those things. Next will be the tools. Here, right? What is exactly mean by the tools configuration? So we need to run the jobs, right? We want to run the job. So to run the jobs and all, we require the Java, Git, all the things. If you are using the Git, right? We need to add the Git. Like this server, what it will do, it will go and check your local system. In the local system, Git is installed or not. It's not installed. All the things it will be checked. And we need to add the Git installation path. Okay. So how to add those things or not? You click on add JDK, right? Click on add JDK. Name will be your own name. You can able to give anything. So to your understanding, I'm giving the Java. Okay, Java is okay, done. Okay, if we click on install automatically, right? It will be we need to add all the installers, comments, everything we need to keep. But I'm already installed in my Java, right? So we need to go and check it. So I have installed the Java. Right, I don't know where it will be. So in the Windows now we have some path like it will be there in where the programming files. In the programming files, all the files will become. So by there we can able to get. So how to check here? So which Java? So if you use the which Java command, which means so where it got Java is located, that will become where it got located. It located in the user bin Java. So we need to copy this one. We need to add. So same like Git also. Like if you are using any version control system or any this one right centralized repositories. We can call it as a Git as a centralized repository only. Why? Because it's centralized managing all code, right? We are making the centralized repositories Git. So we are giving the name Git. So same like that only we will check for the Git. We are install the Git right before we install the Git. Which Git? Where user bin Git. So what we need to do? We need to copy. We need to paste. Okay, it got added. We didn't got any errors over there. So same like that, Gradle and Maven will be there. Right? If you had install any Maven, so what install? I think Maven will be there. I think so. Java. Which Maven? Maven is not there. Install Maven. So install it, right? It will give you all those things. So we are going to see the Maven projects on there, right? That's why I'm installing the Maven. Done. So where it is there, we can use the which command or the where is command. Okay. Where is Git? Can able to see, right? It will give you all the pods where the user bin Git. Okay. Where is Java? So user bin Java, user is Java, etc Java. All the things it will be given, right? Same like that. So we'll add Maven. The place of here will give the slash etc/maven. Not only right here is there for the maven. User share maven. Okay, it got accepted. Okay, then apply. Save. So done, it got saved. So same the correct only Java path will be the user in Java. That is the correct. So like that, we'll add all the tools configuration. So it will be the different one. Maven is a different one, and Java will be a different one. All the things it will be there, right? So if you come here, right, you can able to see JDK installation. So all the things the Java path will be there here, and the Git path will be there here, and Gradle and the Maven. All the things it will be there, right? Like this, we'll add the tools configuration here. Like what we are telling to Jenkins, right? This is my tool path. So whenever you want to run the Git commands or any Maven commands, any Java commands, right? Go and refer this path. Like that, we are telling to this Jenkins. Jenkins. This is our address bar, like everything in the which place we are there, on which content we are there, we can able to see. So tools we done, right? Next, go with the plugins. What exactly the plugins will do? Now, what is the use of plugins, right? So when we started the Jenkins, right, on that time it asked for the install the suggested plugins, right? Okay, we install the suggested plugins like Git, some kind of plugins got installed. If you go with the custom plugins, right, we need to select the what are the plugins we need to install, like that. So here, whenever we are doing the projects, right, we require some plugins. So on the time we need to come to the here in this place plugins, and we need to install. If you install any plugins, right, it will show the plugins update. First one is updates. If you install the plugins having any updates, it will update from here automatically. You can click on the update, it automatically update. Okay. Next, available plugins. In the available plugins, it will show the all plugins, whatever will be there in the Jenkins. Okay, we can install it from here. Ball. So this is the one. Okay, before and all, the balls, the tick mark, all those things will be there, right? In the jobs, so into mark, all those. In the place, only color balls will be there, like a blue color, red color, all those things will be there. So for two, I don't want to blue color on success. I want green. So on the time they will use the green balls. So these things are all it will be showing. So fine. Like if you want to install all the things, right? So click on this one, right? What it will do, it will take into the Jenkins page on about the plugin. It won't install when you click on this one. It won't install the plugin. It will take into the description, the blog, like about the plugin. The plugin role strategy plugin need to use it for the Jenkins to add new role based mechanisms to the managing users permissions. So what will do? How to add? Click on this one. Click on. So you can able to success. Will be installed. Below you can able to see restart Jenkins when installation is completed. Okay, if you click on this one, right? If you click on this one, if no job is running, the jobs will be there, right? If no job is running, if installation is completed, then it will restart the Jenkins. So I'm not restarting anything, just I'm going to top page. So done. Come here, again check the plugins. Updates, nothing is there. Available plugins, and we can able to see all those things. So install plugins. Here you can able to see the all the plugins what we got installed. So while installing the server, right, in the Jenkins setup, we install the Ant plugin. This is Ant plugin. You come down, blind timeout, email extension plugin, GitHub branch source plugin, Git Gradle plugin. These things are all we install, right? Java, man. If you see our thing, role based. See, this is we installed before. Now, role based strategy. Okay, this will be come in the security. We'll see why we install this role based authorization strategy. All those things. Okay, if you noticed here anything, yes, some plugins having the into mark, and some plugins are not having any into mark. That is got hidden. Why? Because see, these are all, and we can able to uninstall the plugin. We can delete it. But who got added, right? That is not able to, cannot be uninstalled. Why? Because that dependency is required for the Jenkins. Okay, you must, that will be there. These things are not, we install the manual. So in the advanced section, if you're having any proxy and you want to develop any plugins, so you want to add now, from here you can able to add. Okay. Here you can able to say download progress. So that's about the plugins. So nodes will be there, right? So we'll see it later, this one nodes. That will be the master node and child node, master and slave concept. That will be nodes will be different. Right now, if you tell those things and all right, you will be having some issues. Like you won't understand the problem. Okay, we'll see it in the later. So if you want to go with any clouds, install the plugins. If you want to add any, the clouds will be there, right? If you want anything, go and install the Amazon EC2 plugin to connect the EC2 server. So you want to deploy, right? Something you want to deploy, right? So that kind of things are not. So it got installed. So these things are not all the things success is there, right? Those things are not we installed the before. That's why it's showing the all line. Okay. The clouds, we added the plugin. So new cloud. So we'll add the EC2 cloud name creator. All the things we can able to add, we need to add the credentials, EC2 endpoint, region, key pair, all those things we need to update. Okay, when we want to use the cloud. So now we're done with the system configuration, right? What are the things in the system configuration? We'll add the all those things configuration like build executors, all of this will set up. The tools will add the setup of the Ant, Java, and Maven, Git. All those tools will be there, right? Those tools path will be added in the tools. The plugins and all we will install the custom plugins. Okay. Node.js, nodes and all we'll see later. The clouds will be and all we can add the AWS or any Docker, everything whatnot we can able to add in the clouds.